I'm going to split all these drums the same way. I split them down because I don't need a huge culvert. I only need a small one. I mean, realistically, I probably only need a culvert maybe 10 inches in diameter. But it's getting kind of hard to shrink this one down anymore. I've got a nice ratchet strap on it, tightening it up, holding it in place. But it's getting kind of hard to shrink this down anymore. This is also going to add a lot of strength to half the barrel, which is probably going to go on top. Four 55-gallon drums, shrunk down in size, welded together. I put little bars here, so some of the smaller animals out there in the forest have some place to duck into if they're getting chased by something bigger. I realize that me cleaning up this property is taking away a lot of little hiding places for smaller animals, squirrels, whatever. So I thought I'd put a couple bars on there just to give some of those guys a place to hide, place to get away from. So I'm hoping this thing holds up. I'm planning on driving a backhoe over it, but I'm going to bed it down in a little soft dirt area and pack dirt around it as I go up. Probably put some gravel in with the dirt on top of it. And I'm hoping to have about a foot, maybe a foot and a half of dirt / gravel over it, so that even in the wintertime, which is what it's there for, it's there so I can cross that lower area in the wintertime when it's soggy and there's more water down there. Actually, let me take you down there real quick. I'm not going to drag this thing down there right now, but I'll show you where it's going. Down here where the culvert's going to go, I've already dug it out a little bit with the backhoe, kind of working it before it got too soggy to get out here. It does go uphill on that side, that direction, and uphill over there. So this is the spot that water comes through. I don't even know, maybe 3 years out of 10. As you can see, we've had a ton of rain in the past week, and there's no running water here. All the snow melted off, there's still no running water here. So it's not like it's going to be an every year kind of thing where there's going to be water coming through that culvert. But I want to build this area up with some gravel and dirt so that I can get my backhoe to that side of the property in the wintertime. And I don't just want to make a pond over there that if we have a heavy winter, it's going to fill up and then wash out my little bridge here. So thought about putting the culvert in there, and that's what I'm going to do. Hopefully have about a foot and a half of dirt and gravel over top of that culvert to help with the weight of the tractor or a truck or whatever I plan on taking over it. But that is for another day, because I can't get the backhoe over here with gravel. So I might drag that culvert down here this afternoon. I don't know what I have planned for this afternoon. I know I have to go into the county. My greenhouse permits are approved and ready to go, so I have to pay for those. And something else I had to do in town. I have to stop by DMV. Lovely DMV. But until next time, guys, go make something.